Porsche arrived at the Nürburgring with two machines that chase speed in very different ways and both delivered laps that demand attention. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S blends a twin turbo flat six with a performance hybrid system to produce 701 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It fires off the line, settles into corners with calm authority, and devours straights. Seeing it complete a lap of the Nordschleife in 7 minutes 3.92 seconds feels like watching a master at work, precise and relentless. There is an enthusiast-friendly detail that matters. The car ran on production tires. Porsche used Pirelli P Zero R tires, the same rubber you can buy for a showroom car, with an optional Goodyear Eagle F1. Supersport 3R fitment, also available from the factory. No slicks and no special compound, just a road-legal tire with genuine grip. The rest of the package is pure Porsche, an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that snaps through gears, all-wheel drive traction that digs in and goes, and Porsche ceramic composite brakes that barely flinch under heat. Top speed is 200 miles per hour, and the run from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 2.4 seconds, but the number that lingers is that lap. 14 seconds quicker than the previous model is not a small step, it is a jump. Across the lane, the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS, equipped with the Manthey kit, takes a different route to the same goal. There are no engine changes here. It keeps the 4.0-liter, naturally aspirated flat six that spins to 9,000 revolutions per minute and delivers 493 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. Manthey focuses on airflow and chassis. A wider rear wing, revised front aero pieces, an underbody designed for stability, and adjustable coil over suspension sharpen the car into a precision instrument. On the same Nordschleife, it recorded 7 minutes, 3.121 seconds on Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. That is 6.179 seconds faster than the standard GT4 RS. One car uses electric assistance to fill the boost and sharpen every response. The other uses downforce and suspension tuning to carve time out of every sector. One hammers off corners with immense torque. The other carries speed like a dart. The stopwatches agree. This is a special moment for Porsche enthusiasts, whether you are drawn to the punch of the Turbo S or the purity of a naturally aspirated screamer refined by Manthey. If you enjoyed this lap time story and the side-by-side look at what makes each car quick, please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the next deep dive.